In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to business account on TikTok. And what you're going to do is you're going over to your profile section at the bottom right. In here, you click on the top right hamburger icon. Now you click on settings and privacy. And from here, you're going to click on account. And at the middle, we see switch to business account. And in order to switch it, you need to click on this. And now you need to go through the process. And it will contain some steps, basically, which you have to follow. And I'm going to show you which steps these are. Right now, we can just basically click on next. We can click on next because you're going to learn more about your audience. Of course, you're going to reach more people. You can access conversion tools. Let's use a category. Let's say it is about finance and investing. We click on next. And in here, you need to give an email address to your profile to connect with your customers directly. You can choose to do this right now, but you can also skip this. And I'm going to skip this right now. And as you can see, I can now try a registered business account. So I'm given a trial, as you can see. And I can basically visit the business suite when I click on this. Or I can register to not have a trial, but like a permanent business account. So this is up to you what you want to choose. Of course, you can just try it on the trial and then click on business suite. Then you can see what it's like. And that's basically it. And if you are considering switching to a business account, please note and know that certain TikTok sounds, basically all the viral and trending sounds, will not be available when you are on a business account. These viral TikTok sounds are only available on personal accounts. So when you are switching to a business account, you need to consider and keep in mind that your music library, basically the sound library, will be really limited. So when you're having a profile that's creating a lot of content with viral TikTok sounds, then it might not be the best moment and best transformation onto a business account. So that's something you need to keep in mind. But if you are a business account and you're mainly running ads, for example, and not using TikTok sounds that much, then it is okay, of course, to switch to a business account. So this is something you need to do some investigation on and find out which setting, which account, business or private, suits your preferences best. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.